Assalamualaikum, we are from LAX2047, group 23. So today we are going to record our group discussion 5, right? So, hi, my name is Nur Ajirah binti Mahazir. My metric number is 196330.
Hi, my name is Nurana Nabila binti Ahmad Rizi. My metric number is 199141.
Hello, my name is Nur Sabrina binti Muhammad Noor. Matrix number 198521.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Alina Hanis binti Muhammad Noor. My metric number is 198.
Hello, my name is Aiman Farhan bin Jamal Lail and my metric number is 197208.
Hello, my name is Amshad Hari and my metric number is 197015.
So we will start our poem recitation. This is a poem, title is Pollution. Team 2 will present this poem. So Aiman, you can start. Hello Aiman, can you hear? It's okay, I will start it. Poem Pollution, stanza 1. The nature has cried, invitation of despair. The nature has speech of disaster. Her beauty is being shredded by the inhumanly human, mocking the grace.
Okay, I will read the next stanza. The air, it was all toxin and gases. The green, slaughter and pale, the water. Ini sekali ke?
You only have 2 stanza.
Oh. Okay, I will read it again. The air, it was all toxin and gases. The green, slaughter and pale, the water, drowned in chemical. The sea, other landfill of plastic. Mankind, naughty, haughty, greedy.
So we have read the poem. We will start discuss about this poem. I will stop share the screen. Yeah. Okay, so who want to start to give opinion about the poem?
Okay, let me start first. First I want to comment about this poem. This poem is have many kind of words that we can make the nature is worse. In the stanza 1, as we can look the meaning of the stanza 1 that I understand is the effect of the nature for being polluted. What we can see that the nature has cried, that I thought that just now the word that used cry is understand, but I mean that the word is the nature has cried because of the pollution. What I understand, the beauty of the nature have been destroyed by human, as we can see from the line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Her beauty is being shredded. So I like the how the word used on this stanza, because it really make the meaning of how the pollution affected the nature. So the irresponsible human make anything such as deforestation, open burning, and as we know, some technologies also can bring the disaster to the nature. So, from the line 6, okay, line 6, this line is taught the how the human destroy the nature without thinking the nature is important. Okay, that's is how I understand from this stanza 1.
Okay, I want to add something, about stanza first. From my understanding about the stanza, the poet tried to say that the nature is disappointed because people are no longer able to admire its beauty and its beauty view. As we love, as people love to going outside and look for the nature when they are stressed, sad, and also when they are happy. But because of some human are greedy, the others cannot longer experience all of this anymore. Yeah, that's my point of view.
I would like to comment on stanza 2. Um, stan- Overall, stanza 2 explains about the environment, especially the air. Explained that it was all toxin and gases because nowadays there's a lot of pollution by our vehicles, the factories. And then line 3, the green, slaughtered and pale, meaning that the forests now, the nature now has been destroyed a lot by deforestation mostly. And then it also explains about the water grown in chemicals, also means that there's a lot of pollution, mainly from the factories and by ourselves. Like when we go to rivers, we dump our rubbish there, and then making the rivers become polluted. And lastly, about the sea are the landfills of plastics. Um, if we go to if we go on vacation to the sea, especially we can see that there's a lot of plastic, mainly because again we human are the one that dump our rubbish almost everywhere that, and then it cannot be managed. So then the sea will be polluted by plastic. And also this causes our turtles to become the number of our turtles in Malaysia has become decreasing because of the plastic. Yeah, that's what I think about stanza 2.
I will add for stanza 1. For stanza 1, there is a lot of implicit and explicit meaning for stanza 1, such as speech of disaster. As we can see now, there's a lot of natural disaster like earthquakes, landslide, flash floods, extreme temperature. So everything happened because of human wrongdoing. How human beings so greedy about and taking advantage about the nature. So what everything that human did, it caused the nature to become in bad conditions, such as disaster happen every time, as we can see in news and everywhere. So stanza 1 shows that the nature has told us that the nature is already sick and many things has happened to the nature because of human. So that is my opinion for stanza 1.
I would like to talk about the stanza 2.
what I can understand is that on stanza 2, um, the poet described about um, detailed things on what happened on Earth, like what happened on the air, what happened to the forest, at the sea, um, and the poet also back greedy of humans. So that's it. Thank you.
So anyone, Amisha, do you want to add something?
I would like to add something on stanza 1. On the line, the nature speech of disaster. What I think about from this line is because of human destruction to the nature. So the nature has responded to the human in a way of disaster to show that the nature are hurting and human need to stop their ways of doing things. That's what I think for this line.
Um, can we talk about the elements in the poem?
Sure, Iman, you
Anyone?
can start it.
I will start first. I can, what I found, what elements that I can found in the poem is first the personification, which on stanza 1, line 1, the nature has cried, and also the nature has speak. And anybody want to add on the elements?
I can see an I hyperbole in stanza 1, which is an exaggeration for in line 2, which is invitation of despair, which is despair is something. I mean, invitation of despair is something is that is bring a lot of exaggeration meaning. So hyperbole is on stanza 1, line 2. Yeah, that's all I can say.
I want to add something on stanza 1. I found that there is alliterations on this stanza where the nature has speech of disaster. Means alliteration is about like tongue twist. The nature has speech of disaster, as I found.
Aiman has mentioned about personification, and I find one which is in stanza 2 in line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Line 6, which is drowned, the water drowned in chemicals, which is drowned is something that can be used for human. So that is the personification that I found.
One more thing that I can find on the poem is on the final line, lordly, haughty, and greedy.
So I think we have reached the time limit, which is we already hit 15 minutes. So I think we can end this discussion now. So that's all for group discussion 5 from group 23, LAX2047. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You.